Hi there. I hope you're having a great day. I'm here to present videos that will explore some of the most common misconceptions or even myths regarding financial skills. What kind of myths? Well, that financial skills are rocket science, that you need a degree in accounting or finance to master them, and so on. Focused videos will allow you to master not only financial but business concepts easily without any background needed in accounting or finance. These videos are short and crisp, 5 minutes tops. They are simple but powerful, and more importantly, they are relatable to your hotel and restaurant operation. How about that? The secret to mastering financial skills is not a degree in accounting or finance. It is a simple phenomenon called cause effect relationships. I'm not sure whether this is for you, but watch this video and get to know more about this magical concept. Just imagine the looks on your colleagues' faces when you share your newly acquired wisdom. Are you ready to take this exciting ride? Strap on your seatbelt. Here we go.